welcome. Let us go 15 years back in time when PlayStation 2 was the hottest console on the market and Need for Speed Underground 2 was the hottest game on the market. And if you're like me, you probably played a lot of Underground 2 on your fat screen 22-inch TV back at that time, and it was an immediate connection to the first car that you could drive in that game, and that was the Nissan 200SX S13. Okay, like most S13s, this is not original, of course. This is not clean. It's really cool, but it's not clean at all. But this has a bigger turbo. It got an ECU, like Mega Squirt or something, like a remapped brain. It got custom exhaust. It got some drift, really hard drift coilovers, and it got a snap-off Momo steering wheel. It got OMP bucket seats. I mean, this car is really cool. It's not looking too good, but like in condition-wise, but I think it looks really cool. But for some of you, I know, of course, you may want that clean, static look, but I really like the look of this. And it actually has a few horsepower. It's supposed to have 380 horsepower, but it does have a boost leak at the moment. That's very unfortunate, but still, we're gonna take it out for a drive today, and we're gonna drive my childhood dream car. That'll be quite fun. You sit really tight in there, but I'm gonna take it with me on with the GoPro, and let's see where the journey takes us. I think this will be really, really fun. But yeah, it's definitely a cool car. So yeah, let's take it for a drive. Okay, then we are ready to take this 200SX S13 for a drive. So let's just snap on this steering wheel and we'll be on our way. Seat belts, that's important. Yeah, it's a little bit hard starting it, but whatever. It does, as I said, it has a little bit of boost leak, and it also has a little bit of exhaust leak, so that sucks. But I think this will be fun anyways. I have never driven, or I don't know, but this is like a petrol turbo car, so that's quite fun. Let's take the pop-ups up. Let's see on the hood. Oh yeah, those pop-ups, those headlights from the 90s are really, really cool. Okay, let's go. Oh, that turbo noise. And the car is really stiff as well. Like I said, it has those some drift coilovers, something. They are really, really stiff. It also has like stronger pistons, and like the engine is built up from the ground up. The engine is completely built from the ground up, so it will take all of this horsepower. So yeah. And as you all have probably already seen, this car is not like, it's not 100% clean, but I still think that it's pretty cool. Let's take the throttle to the floor, second gear. Oh, it's so cool. I just filled some fresh 98 V-Power petrol in it as well, so... Oh, that turbo noise, it's so good. I don't know too much about this car. It's not mine. I am not going to buy it or anything. I do really like my BMWs, and I'm not going to buy some S13 in the near future, I think. But I really like those cars, so I just wanted to test them. A huge thanks to a buddy of mine which lent me this car. And I really thank you. It's really cool that I get to drive this car. Like I never driven this car before, like this kind of car. The 200SX. This is exactly like it is in the game. It's so cool seeing the pop-ups and stuff like that. And the turbo noise is just really cool. Let's try 1 second gear pull again. Okay, let's try to give some gas in here. Oh! Okay. Well, as I told you, this car is not 100%, but yeah, things are not in the best condition all over the place here, but okay, let's try drifting it on this parking lot. It is dry right now, it's not wet at all. So yeah, we'll just have to see how it goes. And I have actually, this is an LSD differential, and I have never drifted LSD differential, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to this, to see how it feels. Okay, so I will do a clutch kick because this is not my diesel that has a lot of torque down low. This doesn't have any power down low, so I need a lot of power to stay in the drift. So let's just try one round here. Second gear, and then we dump the clutch. Oh, that was different. That was very different from what I'm used to. That was a lot of fun, but I need a lot more like RPMs. I was way low on the RPMs. Let's try one more time. Oh my god, that was so much fun. Let's try the other way. It was much easier with LSD. Seriously, drifting is not that difficult. It was a lot easier with LSD. If I just could have had a little bit more power. I think there are 18-inch wheels in the back, so if I just If I could have a little bit less grip in the back, that would be a lot better, but still, this was really nice. Let's try one more time. We can drive here in the water, maybe that will help. And clutch kick. Oi! Bad starts, really bad starts. Try again, take up the window. Yeah, I spun out, but this was seriously a lot of fun. I have never drifted with LSD differential before. This was very different from what I'm used to, but so fun. I want to try the transition, actually. I want to try transition instead of just going in circles. Oh, that did not work too good. That was actually... I think I'm struggling. I'm having way too much grip. This will be a lot more fun in the wet, I think. Whoa, that was stiff. I do have a question for you guys. What is your favorite, like, childhood dream car? What was your childhood dream car when you were younger? For me, definitely the 200SX, because I mean, I played a lot of Underground 2, and that was the first car you could choose. It was either this or a Corolla or a Ford Focus or something. And of course I chose this, and this car stayed with me for the whole game, and I've been looking at YouTube videos ever since of this car, and every time I see one I just get, I don't know, I really like it. I just really like the chassis and the engine and everything, the look of it. I really like that JDM style on these cars. So, but anyways, what are your childhood dream car? I'm not talking about what you want right now, but when you were younger, what was like the car you dreamt of? Anyways, thank you for watching. I have now finally driven my childhood dream car, and it's almost as if this is slowly becoming my dream car, like now in present day, because this is an amazing car. It's light, it's powerful, and it's turbo and rear-wheel drive, LSD, like, and it looks, I think it's really cool, but of course it's not 100%, but it's really cool. I think it's really cool. So this was a really good experience for me. Subscribe if you like what you saw, and leave a like if you liked the video. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!